up, everybody? Welcome back to the jail, boys. I know you've been waiting for this for a long time. Check it out. Woo! She is out. And I know you're thinking, Caleb, the freaking car's on fire. No, it's just the headers. Headers are wrapped and it's yeah. We did do the heater core, guys. We didn't film it because obviously we've already done that for you. But a little bit of antifreeze back there. But yes, guys, brand new heater core. Check it out. It's sitting here, it's running. It's freaking running. Dude, are you ready for this? And it's literally, guys, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's snowing. So obviously we're gonna have to kind of take it easy. It's a little bit hilarious here. We don't have a front end, so.
It's a first drive.
Yes, it is. Just the first drive. It has not been aligned, guys, but we've been waiting for this moment for so long. We're like, you know what? Let's do it. But as you can see, she is good to go. Got the Silver Sport T56 Magnum hydraulic clutch kit in it. Woo! Yes. We haven't got to feel this thing. So obviously we can't do crazy smoky burnouts, but yeah, everything is back together. Heater core is done. So we've got what, alignment, and then
You got to tweak the exhaust a little bit.
yeah.
Force wheel drive it. See what else it's gonna need, you know.
Yes.
After we drive it, it may need a few other things.
Right. Yeah, so we're just gonna see what happens. What do you think? You ready for the first?
Finally.
The first drive? All right. Yeah. Let's do it. Guys, real quick, if you are new to the channel and you're not familiar with this car, basically it's a 2017 Super Snake engine, which basically is a Gen 2 Coyote. Whipple supercharger, has oil pump gears, all power by the hour accessory brackets, cold air intake. You hear the fans just caught on. Cook's headers. Again, it's the Silver Sport transmission T56 Magnum kit, and it has a hydraulic clutch kit from Silver Sport Transmissions. Built 8.8 rear end, Cobra brakes, BBS RK wheels. The suspension is all Maximum Motorsports front to rear. Full 3-inch exhaust. The other combos that we've done that are very similar to these did over 800 wheel. This is obviously not gonna put it down, but I'm telling you guys, this car right here, it'll probably just sit and look pretty most of the time, but man, it's crazy. Once we deliver it back to the customer, their body shop that painted the car, he's got all the fenders, the hood, and all of that. So if you're wondering why none of that's there, that's why. The body shop's gonna install all of that. Definitely not our area of expertise, but the fans have cut on. Everything seems to be percolating the way it needs to, so we need to drive this bad boy. All right. Never before.
First time, yeah.
I actually looked up some of the old videos, and it was almost 2 years to the date. Like
When we got it?
Yeah, when we went
It's
down.
been 2 years.
I was looking at the video when we got this.
This was in January, huh?
Yeah, it was in January.
So just leave the hood off, huh?
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Yeah.
Man, this thing's smooth as freaking silly.
Trans and clutch feel amazing.
It's like no drama.
Not yet.
It's just quiet and smooth, you know, nothing. Just even thinking about all the different like changes this thing went through. It was
Yes,
supposed to be, yes, it was going to be Gen 1, just a standard Cobra T56 NA, and it slowly evolved and changed. And
Been put together, things like bar.
yep, I mean, what, like like 5 times?
Several. Of course, we noticed the motor was locked up before we ever put it in, so that worked out good.
Guys, if you are new to the channel, the original motor, we went to put oil pump gears in it, and it was locked up, and so it sat for a while. It's like no drama. You would think after a build like this, it would do something, but just everything just works. We're not even getting the normal Foxbody creaks and groans. This thing is literally just no drama at all.
This all sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds freaking great. Challenging one you've done yet. Like you really stretched it out. Well, that's not anybody's fault though, as far as how long it took. But I'm gonna say, all of us, you know, Jennings, I think all of us are glad that, you know, while it did take this long, it ended up how it ended up. Snowflakes falling. I know. I didn't even know it was supposed to snow.
Me either. It was gonna be cold.
It's definitely cold. Hey.
Yeah, the speedo's way off.
Lots of.
Says we're doing 20 right now. We're showing over 100. How faster than we was going?
Yeah. That might have been 40, 45.
Yeah.
Hey. So the first freaking drive, guys. It's a long time coming, but
yeah,
so worth it. This doesn't matter where this car goes, it's gonna definitely it's gonna break some necks. All right, boys, so that is pretty much gonna wrap it up. first drive. I told you it was coming, I promised. And here it is. Obviously, there's still a few things left that need to be tweaked and adjusted and all of that, but it's for all intents and purposes, she's pretty well done. So super excited. This car drives a freaking amazing. And you know, you always think when you've got a crazy build like this, there's going to be some sort of hiccups on the first car. The damn thing just goes down the road. And I wish we could have felt some boost today, but hopefully here pretty quick, because we got to get it delivered back to Jennings. Okay guys, real quick, did want to give you an update on Lee's car. We did get the tune in it. I guess the X4 just had to sit a while, and it finally allowed us to return it to stock and put the E85 tune back in it. So it's good to go. At this point, it looks like Lee's going to roll with it the way it is, possibly have Ken rebuild the transmission and just kind of handle it that way. But as of right now, this car is perfect. If it was nicer out, we'd probably get it out, just because we need to do a full. We've never actually got to fill a full hit on this beast, and I'm going to tell you right now, especially with that pulley right there, it's a monster. All right, boys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And, of course, you know, it never ends out here, guys. It never ends. I'm going to go ahead and kind of spoiler alert. This blue car gets delivered. Another blue car arrives. You may or may not have seen this car before, and it was a crowd favorite, and we're doing a lot to it. So stay tuned for that. Later.